In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack in just about 5 minutes. It's a simple process that will help streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage tasks and communicate with your team seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to the Trello website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing trello.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Trello homepage, locate the Login button. It's situated in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Login will prompt you to sign into your Trello account. Now, if you haven't already set up an account, you might want to consider doing that first. But if you have, it's time to log in. On the Login page, you'll see several options. But since most people prefer Google for its convenience, click on Google. Then, simply choose the Google account you want to use for Trello, and you're in. After logging in, you'll want to open the board where you plan to integrate Slack. Just click on the specific board from your list that you're going to connect with Slack. Once you're in your board, look at the top right corner. There, you'll find a neat little icon that looks like a rocket. Clicking on this icon will take you to a menu where additional features and integrations called power-ups are located. From this menu, you're going to select Add Power-ups. This is where you'll be able to enhance the functionality of your Trello board by adding useful tools and integrations like Slack. When you click on Add Power-ups, a new window will pop up. Here, search for Slack by typing it into the search bar provided. Once you've typed Slack into the search bar, Trello will show you options related to Slack. Click on the Slack option that appears in the list. You'll be taken to a detailed page about this integration where you can find more information about what it entails. But for our purpose here, go right ahead and click on Add, which should be prominently displayed on this page. And that's all there is to it. You've seamlessly added Slack as a power-up to your Trello board. This integration will allow you to send Trello cards to Slack, keep your team updated about project changes and much more without having to switch platforms constantly. It's a great way to enhance productivity and ensure everyone in your team is on the same page. Thank you for following along, and I hope this makes your project management a whole lot easier.